Well, we're heading into a fairly active weather pattern. Man, we had some big time thunderstorms yesterday, heavy rain, quite a bit of lightning with that, and certainly saw some localized flooding across the area. As we enter the next 5 days, we're going to continue with daily rounds of thunderstorms, and yes, with that, daily rounds of heavy downpours. So we'll continue to watch that flood risk as we head through at least the remainder of this week. Notice those rain chances staying at about a 50 to 60% chance as we head over the next 5 days. The reason being, we have plenty of tropical moisture in place. We're tracking an area of low pressure that's currently across the southeast, and that's helping funnel in some of this moisture with winds that are back out of the west and southwest. That's going to be the setup again today. We've got the moisture needed to produce eventually some showers and thunderstorms, gusty storms possible with some isolated severe thunderstorms possible both today and even as we head into tomorrow. In fact, the same pattern continues through your Thursday and Friday. Additional afternoon thunderstorms on the way. Again, the heavy rain threat will be one of our biggest threats with this as we continue with all that abundant moisture available to produce those very heavy downpours. It'll be the case even as we enter the weekend. So the name of the game is you'll need the rain gear handy each and every day. Right now, at least at the moment, we're currently fairly quiet as we take a look at our next weather radar network. We've got a little thunderstorm there that's now just beginning to cross into Miami-Dade County, but elsewhere we are currently dry. Things as they continue to heat up and we see that southwesterly wind kick in. Here we go. We'll start to see those thunderstorms develop as we head towards about 2 o'clock. They'll be encouraged to push towards our coastal and metro areas yet again. So heads up as we head towards 3, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock into the afternoon. Evening commute will be wet for some areas. The heavy rain makes it very difficult to drive, certainly limits visibility. So you'll want to take the road slow if you fall under one of those downpours, with the potential of seeing some additional rounds even as we head through 7, 8, 9 o'clock this evening. Likely to see things wind down though shortly after that as we lose that peak daytime heating, and we should at least be a little bit quieter again heading into late tonight and for tomorrow morning. Highest threat today, that'll be for the hours of 2 to about 8 p.m. will be for that flood risk, especially considering all the rain that we had in spots yesterday. Wouldn't quite rule out some gusty winds with some of these thunderstorms either, with that southwesterly wind at a fairly swift clip here. Low end chance for some hail and very low end chance for tornado. Tracking the tropics now, we're looking at a couple of systems across the Atlantic. Not a very typical area to watch for tropical development for this time of year, at least this early in this season. But here we go. We have Tropical Storm Bret along with tropical wave. This is deemed Invest 93L. Tropical Storm Bret, haven't seen too much in terms of a change, at least in strength over the past 24 hours. 40-mile-per-hour max sustained winds, currently moving quickly off to the west here, where we are anticipating some strengthening. Now, a change from the previous National Hurricane Center forecast. It's not anticipated to become a hurricane anymore. That's a trend that we've seen in our models. Bit of a weaker system here. Notice it only goes out 4 days. We are now forecasting this to dissipate as it enters the Caribbean and encounters quite a bit of wind shear heading into what should be the next 3 to 4 days here, especially as it enters into the Caribbean, along with some drier air that should help dissipate the system quite a bit. Models have actually come into better agreement as far as a weaker and more westerly track. Again, that'll be for as we head into the weekend entering into the Caribbean. Now, we also have an additional tropical wave. This with a high chance of development at an 80% now. The good signals are that it should be actually heading out to sea here as we head into what should be the upcoming weekend. We'll continue to watch it though, but models signaling towards a pretty good sign there. 7-day forecast as we head into what should be the next few days. Rainy, wet weather pattern, a little bit cooler compared to the recent days with highs in the upper 80s and lower 90s set to persist as we kick off the summertime season.